In this video, I'll show you how to make the taskbar completely transparent on Windows 11. To do this, we're going to install a very lightweight app available right on the Microsoft Store. First, click the Windows icon on your taskbar. Type Store into the search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Once the store is open, go to the search bar and type TranslucentTB. Click on the TranslucentTB result that has this logo. Keep in mind you can only download apps from the store if you have a Microsoft account and are logged into it. Once you're successfully logged in, click the Install button to start the installation. Sometimes you might run into an error during installation. The best fix is to just update your Windows 11 to the latest version so it runs smoothly. After it finishes installing, click Open to launch TranslucentTB. Give it a moment, and once the app starts, your taskbar will instantly become transparent like this. If you don't want to tweak any other settings, you can just leave it as is. If you check the Open at Boot option, the app will automatically start with Windows, keeping your taskbar transparent by default. If you'd rather not have that, just uncheck Open at Boot, and the app won't start with Windows. Also, when you exit the app, your taskbar will just go back to normal.